Hello student, I am your physics mentor Nitesh Kumar and you are watching Drona Academy e-learning series. Today I am going to discuss the question based on a spherical mirror. Okay, so we will discuss few good question or the question which are important for board as well as for the other exams. Okay student, so now the first question, the basic question we having a man having height 6 meter. Okay, a man having height 6 meter, he observes an image of 2 meter height erect. The mirror used, we all know that student, here just it is given it's a erect, image is erect. In which case we know that in the convex case, if we are considering a convex mirror and here if you are putting a object, okay, so the ray coming parallel to principal axis, after stacking to this mirror it will reflect back, is it or not student? Okay, so it's looking like it's coming from where? Focus. Okay, and ray coming towards center of curvature, we all know the ray coming towards center of curvature, it will retrace their path, center of curvature. So here image will form. So look at this, if you are placing a bigger object is what? That man, okay, standing in front of mirror, and image is forming, that's a 2 meters smaller. Or here in this case you will find the image is virtual and erect. So this is the case, it means the answer is what student? Convex. Okay, now if someone is thinking, so why it's not concave? Because we know that on which case the erect image is forming a student. If you are putting your object between focus and pole, is it or not? Try to understand. If you are putting your object between focus and pole, then erect and bigger in size image is forming. But here the object, the size of image is small as compared to object. Okay, so plane we all know the plane mirror is forming same size of mirrors. Yes, it's forming the erect but same size. Okay, that's why the answer is convex. Okay student, now it's a very simple question, and this question, not till now, this question actually 2 times CBSE board asked this question. Okay, now students comes to the next question. Next question is this one, very simple. What is the question? An object is placed at 20 centimeter from a convex mirror. Okay, object is placed, okay, at 20 centimeter from convex mirror. Okay student, what you have to do in the ray optics or in this light chapter, you have to draw the ray diagram. That's also very important, and if you are able to draw the ray diagram properly, trust me, you can solve question easily. On last question also you seen. Okay, so look at this, I'm drawing the ray diagram step by step. First part of this question, an object is placed 20 centimeter far from convex mirror of focal length 10 centimeter. Okay, so it's a convex again mirror. So this is the case of convex mirror. This one is the principal axis. Okay, now what is given here? 20 centimeter. So I am assuming this one is the 20 centimeter. Okay, here we having an object that's the 20 centimeter far. Okay, now the focal length is how much? 10 centimeter, and this is with the plus sign. Why I am writing plus? Because it's a convex mirror, or we know that in the case of convex mirror focal length is positive. Okay, the image formed by the mirror, how much far from the mirror, and write its property. So property from where you will get? Ray diagram. So look at this, if you are drawing a ray diagram, ray coming parallel to principal axis, it will reflect from the mirror. Okay, and it's looking like it's coming from focus. This one is the focus point. Ray is falling towards the center of curvature. The ray diagram is very much similar to the last diagram, is it or not? So here it's a center of curvature, then it will retrace their path. Where image will form, student? Look, here image is forming. Okay, so this is the image. So now you can comment on the image. It's smaller in size and behind the mirror. Simple. But here we have to find how much far from mirror. It means we have to find the V. U is given, student. U is given. How much? Minus 20 centimeter. Okay. Focal length is also given here. Plus 10 centimeter. This sign convention is very important, student. If those who don't know sign convention, please revise the last video of a spherical mirror. Otherwise, you can't solve the question. Okay. And the mirror formula also. Here we will use the mirror formula. We have to find the V. Okay, for finding V, we know the relation 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. Now here we'll put everything with the sign. So we have to calculate V. So I am taking this one this side. 1 by F. F is positive. Writing here with the positive sign. It will be go this side with the minus sign. So minus 1 by minus 20. Minus 20. This minus minus cancel out, or it will be plus. So here you will get LCM is 20, 2 plus 1, 1 by V. So you are getting, you can write 3 by 20, and V equal to what you are getting? 20 by 3 student centimeter. So look at this, 20 by 3. 20 by 3 is what? 6.66. So 6.66 is actually, this one is how much? 10 centimeter. It is given, student. So less than that, 6.6. Yes, with the positive sign you are getting. Positive sign, it means you will get this side. So it means our answer is also correct. So this is the beauty of ray diagram. If you are able to draw the ray diagram, student, it means you can also verify your answer. Is it or not? Okay. So now here we verified. Is it clear, students? Simple. Okay. Comes to the next question. You can pause the video, you can note down. Okay, student, like when I am giving you the question now, at that time you can pause the video and try to solve the question yourself. If you are not able to solve, then only see the solution. Okay, after solving also you can match the solution. Okay, how you have to solve? I am solving every question here step by step. Okay, and with the ray diagram. And trust me, student, every exam is asking question on this topic. That's very simple as well as very important topic, you can say. Okay, now the next question, student. Next question, look at this. Virtual image 3 times the size of object is obtained with the concave mirror. So now this is the case of concave mirror. So I am drawing here the concave mirror. Okay, first everyone try to draw the ray diagram. Okay, you can pause and try to draw the ray diagram. Okay, now I am starting. Virtual image 3 times the size of object is obtained with a concave mirror of radius of curvature is 36 centimeter. So here, student, R is given 36 centimeter. F equal to what? R by 2. So 36 by 2, how much? 18 centimeter. Positive or negative? Positive or negative? Negative. Why negative? Because it's a concave. In the concaves, we can say, in concave we having a focal length, that's a negative. Clear, student? Okay. So 36 centimeter. The distance of the object from mirror is, you have to find the distance of object from mirror. This is the mirror. So from pole you have to find. So look at this. 3 times bigger image is forming. In which cases? There is 2 cases here. Student, I am solving 1 cases. Another case for I will draw a ray diagram and you can solve. Because they are not commenting about the anything. Because they are saying the virtual image. Oh, student, this word is very important. Now the 1 case is removed, the real case is removed. In this case, when you are placing an object between focal length and pole, on that case the image is forming, that's a bigger in size, but that's a real. But here it's written virtual image. Try to understand, it's written virtual image. In concave mirror case, when virtual image is forming, if our object is placed between the focus and pole. Very good. And if this word is not given. This virtual image word is not given, and just written the image is 3 times. Then you have to consider the 2 cases. One case you have to assume real image, one case you have to assume virtual image, then you have to solve. And trust me, in 2009 IIT also asked a question like this. Same question IIT asked. On that case you have to consider the both case. Okay, I will discuss that question also, don't worry. So here it's a virtual, it's a very simple question. By the way, this question is already asked by the CBSE. Okay, so look at this. Maximum question I am taking here, students, that questions are asked by exams. Okay, either board or either some good competitive exams. Okay, student, so look at this. Here we having an object, image, ray coming parallel to principal axis, it will pass from focus. Is it or not? Ray coming parallel to principal axis, it will pass from focus. Okay, so and ray is falling at this point with the theta angle. It will reflect back with the same theta angle. Now look at this. This 2 rays not meeting here in this side. It means it will look like these rays are coming from behind the mirror. Is it or not? If you are observing from in front of mirror, if you are observing from here and I am observing, look at this, then what I will observe? The ray are coming from behind the mirror. So here image will form. Is it or not, student? Here image will form I. Okay. Now I am assuming the height of object is x. Try to understand. The height of object is x. The height of is image. From question what you can write? Height of image, it's a 3x. Positive. This one is also positive. Why? Because the virtual image, in the virtual image case, both will be positive because both are above the principal axis. Try to understand. Both are above the principal axis. So you have to assume both are positive. Very good. Now student, what we have to find? The distance of object from the mirror. We have to find the u. U क्या आएगा? You have to find the what you will get the u. Okay student. One thing is given here, m, because we know that magnification formula is hi by h naught equal to minus of v by u. Is it or not, student? Okay. So hi is what? 3x divided by x, we assume, equal to minus v by u. X cancel out. What we can write here? V equal to 3u, or minus sign also you can put. If you will take this one this side, you will get the v equal to 3u, or minus sign if you will take, so here v equal to minus of 3u. Is it or not? Okay student. Now we having a formula 1 by v. Try to understand. 1 by v. Okay, one more thing student. Here v is positive. If you just want to calculate the value of v, but here v is positive and u is what? Negative. U is what? Negative. Negative u. Is it or not? Okay. So if you will put here once, you have to put a 1 time. Okay. Now I will put a letter. You can also, other if you are considering here, then you will get the just a magnitude, not with the direction. Okay. So now student, 1 by v plus 1 by u equal to 1 by f. बहुत अच्छे. So now student, here look at this. Here the v we have to calculate, but v equal to, we are knowing here it's a 1 by minus of 3u. Try to understand. Plus 1 by u equal to 1 by f. F is what? Here we having positive or negative? It's a negative. So here 1 by minus 18. Okay student. Now LCM. LCM is what? Minus 3u. LCM I am taking, it's a minus 3u. So here 1 minus 3 equal to 1 by minus 18. Minus cancel out. Okay, this one the u student, it's a u. So you can write here minus 2 divided by 3u, minus 2 divided by 3 u equal to 1 by 80. 3 will cancel out 6 times. U this side. So here you will get the u equal to minus of 12 centimeter. Acha, why we are getting here u equal to minus 12, student? Why we are getting u equal to minus 12? Because it's a this side. Look at this. U is this side. That's why we are getting the minus 12. Okay, now we can also verify this. How you will verify your answer? Like you are getting the answer, is it correct or not? How you will verify? Look at this. We having the formula hi by h naught, and that's the 3. So m equal to, we having a formula hi by h naught, that is equal to minus v by u. Okay, student. Now here hi what? 3x and h naught is x equal to minus of v equal to minus of 3 times this, v equal to minus of 3 times this. Okay, you already get a minus 12, minus plus, so here you will get the plus 36 divided by 12. Now this one cancel out 3 times, x's cancel out, so here you are getting LHS equal to RHS, and you can say this one is your correct answer. Whatever the value of u you are getting, that is correct. And look at this, from ray diagram we can say we will get the u is negative. It means the distance from mirror, the object is 12 centimeter. Okay, or you can say the 12 centimeter our object is far from the mirror. Okay, student, note down this. And you already learned how to verify your answer. This is clear? Okay, it's a good question. This type of question, maximum the most toughest question if CBSE will ask this type of question. No tougher than this, trust me. Okay, note down, student. Those who are having still doubt, you can ask me the doubts in comment section. Okay, now come to the next problem, next question. Now student, this one, radius of curvature of a concave mirror. Radius of curvature of concave mirror is, here the value is missing. Okay, I am going to take a one value. Look at this first. The radius of curvature of concave mirror. So first, this is the case of concave mirror. It's a concave mirror. So I will assume R equal to 40 centimeter. And the image and the size of image is twice as the object. Then the object distance is what? It's a very much similar to the last question, student. Okay, so here it is given, and the size of image is twice, okay, as that of object. On last case it was thrice. Okay, so and last case it was thrice. Here I am taking the radius of curvature is 40 centimeter. Here write down 40 centimeter, I just assume. Okay, then the object distance is what? Okay, so how much object is far? Again, that question I solved for the virtual case. I am solving this is the for the real case. So then object here, the radius of curvature, and the size of image, size of real image, make it size of real image. Otherwise you have to consider two cases, one for real and another for the virtual. In last question I solved for the virtual, so in this question I want to solve for the real, if it is given the real. So in this question what you have to add, first radius of curvature is 40 centimeter and the image is real image, that's the twice. Okay student, so I am assuming it's a focus, this one is the center of curvature, in which case the real image forming, and that's the bigger than the size of object. If your object is placed between focus and center of curvature, look at this student, if your object is placed between focus and center of curvature, ray coming parallel to principal axis, it will pass from the focus, is it or not? Ray is falling at this point with the theta degree angle. It will reflect back with the same theta degree angle. And look at this here, bigger image is forming. Okay, I'm assuming again here the height of object is what? X plus x here. Here this one is the height of image. The height of image you will get minus 2x. Why I am writing minus sign, student? Because you all know the ray, here the distance is below principal axis, so we'll measure with the negative sign. Very simple. Okay, student. Now this one is the u, negative, because it's a concave. This one is the v. This one is also negative, student. And radius of curvature, then focal length will be what? Radius of curvature by 2, 40 by 2, and it's a 20. But here it's a concave, so we'll write here minus 20 centimeter. Is it clear? I suppose ray diagram is clear to everyone. Now we'll solve. You can easily solve because the last question was very much similar. Again here we will use magnification equal to hi by h naught equal to minus v by u. This is the magnification formula, student. This one is the magnification formula. Okay, so now, so look at this. These questions are what? These questions are actually combination of magnification and mirror formula question. Okay, very good question. These are the called good question, student. Okay, and you can say the maximum common typical question. Anyone can ask you, any exam can ask you this type of question. Look at this, the 2-line, 3-line questions. Okay, students, and trust me, if you are just drawing the ray diagram, you will get the 1 or 2 marks. Okay, like if they are asking this question for the 5 marks, you will get the 1.5 marks for the ray diagram or 2 marks for the ray diagram, and for applying for the magnification formula again 1 marks, and for the mirror formula 2 marks. This is clear? Okay, student. So now magnification formula here, hi, height of image, is minus 2x divided by x equal to minus v, minus plus, so I am writing here v by u. That will cancel out, this minus sign cancel out this minus, x will cancel out x, so v equal to you are getting 2u. V equal to you are getting 2u. Now we'll apply the mirror formula, v 1 by v plus 1 by u equal to 1 by f. Okay, student, v is what? 2u. V is what? 2u. But here we'll apply with the negative sign. So we'll write 1 by, sign is very important. U is what? Negative here. So we'll write here minus of 2u plus 1 by what, student? Look at this. U is negative again. We'll write negative. F is also negative. So here you will add 1 by minus of 20. This minus cancel out. All denominator with the minus sign we can cancel out. Is it or not? Very simple. Now here LCM 2u, LCM is what, student? 2u, sorry. Here you will get the 1 plus 2 equal to 1 by 20. Okay. Now here you will get the 3 by 2u equal to 1 by 20, and if you will do the cross multiplication, what you will get? 3 times 60 equal to 2u, u equal to what? 30 centimeter, student. Okay, now we can verify also our answer. How we can verify? This f is given, the distance between pole and focus is given how much? 20 centimeter, and this one is given. Look at this, I am doing here cross checking of our answer. After solving question, you can do the cross checking through this ray diagram. Okay, जिससे mistake नहीं हो, एक number भी नहीं कटना चाहिए students, because these topics are very scoring. Okay, you can do cross checking also. By the way, the 10th class physics, 12th class ray optics parts are very simple as well as the scoring part. Okay, so now student here, that's 20 plus 20, 40 centimeter, and our object is between the 20 and 40, 30. We are getting the correct answer. 30. We are getting the magnitude you are getting, na? That's why. By the way, it's a u equal to minus 30 centimeter. Is it or not? We already taken the sign convention. That's why we are getting this. If you will not take the kind of sign convention, you will get with the negative answer. You will get with the negative sign. This is clear, student? Okay. So last case we discussed the virtual. In this case we discussed already real. Now comes to the next example. I'm not going to make this video very lengthy. Okay. Next question is, student, this one. A concave mirror gives an image 3 times as large as the object placed at distance of from it. The image to be real, the focal length should be what? Student, again here, datas are missing. A concave mirror gives an image 3 times larger as the object, okay, placed at distance of. So here I am assuming this one is a 3 times now. Anything you assume 36. Distance now I am taking the normal 30 centimeter. Okay, from it. For the image, what image to be real? Here image is real. The focal length should be what? Concave mirror case. Again, student, look at this. This one is given in this time. This one is given, and here focal length you have to find. Okay, one thing is given, student. If object is placed at this point, the image is forming. That's a real and 3 times. So I am assuming it's a x. Then it's a minus 3x, because real image, when the real image will form, if object is placed between the focus and center of curvature, on that case only you can say the ray coming parallel to principal axis, it will pass from the focus. Is it or not? Ray is falling at this point. Now it will reflect back and meet at this point. So here image is forming. Is it or not, a student? And this is only the bigger size image. You all know, I suppose you all are expert of ray diagram. Okay, so now बहुत गर्मी है, हाँ student. So now this one is given, and I assume it's a 30 centimeter. You have to find the f. You can easily find. Look at this. Here, student, from magnification formula, we know the magnification formula is hi by h naught. That is equal to minus of v by u. Okay, hi, height of image, is minus 3x, height of object is a x, minus of v by minus of u, or minus cancel out, this minus sign will just left. Okay, student, this minus cancel out, x cancel out, v equal to you are getting 3u, v equal to you are getting 3u. Okay, now student, we having a mirror formula 1 by v plus 1 by u equal to 1 by f. Okay, now f is also negative, you will get, don't worry. Here this one is negative, this one is a negative. Okay, this u equal to how much? Minus 30 centimeter. Sign convention is very important, student, otherwise you will get incorrect answer. Okay, sign convention in a spherical mirror is very important, otherwise you can't solve question, you will get the incorrect. Okay, now v equal to 3u, so I am putting here 3u plus 1 by u equal to 1 by f. It means we have to calculate 1 by f. Okay, student, 1 by f. LCM is what? 3u. Here LCM is what? In last we'll put the value of u. Okay, 3u. 3u. Here you are getting 1 plus 3. It means what you are getting? 1 plus 3. Oh, not 1 plus 3. It's a 4 divided by 3u, student. Okay, so 1 by f equal to 4 divided by 3u. U is what? U is what, student? U is minus 30. Minus 30 into 3, minus 90. It means you can say the f equal to what? This one this side, this one this side. 90 minus 90 by 4. कैसा कटेगा? It's a 45, 22.5 centimeter. I hope so you understand. Okay, you all know how to divide. So this one with the minus sign you will get. It means focal length, what you will get? Minus 22.5 centimeter. Why you are getting minus? Because it's a concave mirror. Look at this. Concave mirror, student. This one is a concave mirror. It means you are getting correct answer. Try to understand. You are getting here correct answer. Like if you want to calculate the magnitude, if you will put the signs here, then you will sign here, then you will get here with the correct magnitude. I am putting here f is positive. That's why we are getting a with a negative sign, because we are just taking here magnitude. Don't worry. In physics, if you will solve properly, you will get always correct answer with the sign. Okay, if you are putting the incorrect sign, you are assuming incorrect sign, then you will get the reverse sign. This is the beauty of physics. This is the beauty of calculation of physics. Okay, student, I suppose you all understand. It's a concave mirror. That's why we are getting. Okay, now we'll verify our answer. Is it correct or not? Look at this. When the 3 time image, three time of object of image will form if your object is lying between focus and pole. Focus and center of curvature. When the real image and magnified bigger image will form if your object is between focus and center of curvature. Okay, here u is 30, it means focal length, that will be less than this 30. We are getting less than this 30. Is it or not? Okay, students, so very simple. Now I suppose you all understand how you have to draw the ray diagram. Drawing ray diagram is a very important. Okay, student. Next, okay, it's a homework question. Homework question is also very much similar to the last questions, students. Now what you have to do, you have to solve this question, okay, and comment your answer, okay, in give me the answer or submit your answer in comment section. Okay, students, thank you so much. In next session we'll discuss few good questions, okay, or important for the board exams. Okay, students, now bye, have a good time.